working. Here we have the supply zone.
Some they use what?
Look of structure, price rally back. If you look
You
at
understand?
all these, that they are all where in a premium zone. So you can see our price rally to that zone, 75. Then and again, we have this zone also, our price come to premium. So you must understand the daily range which we are trading with. So we're trading with
Please mute everybody. Mute everybody.
So we're telling this is our initial daily range, boom, to this place. Price give us a broker structure, now rally back. This is the other block. So we have this other, we have that imbalance, and we have another one here. So if this guy, if price fade this guy, then a sell may occur here. So that's what I'm looking at. If this, so maybe this one now, let me adjust this. The way price is going now, maybe this guy may fail. This guy may become what? A liquidity for price. So if that one fail, then we have price is set from this zone. So look out for it. In case this guy start pushing up, then don't use off. Then when you get to this supply zone 4 hours, then you can look for what? A sell opportunity there, because we are still what? As long as this high is concerned and this low is concerned, we are still bearish on 4 hours. So we are still bearish on 4 hours. We are still on the 4-hour daily range. This is where we have a break of structure. So this guy will be violated until when price begin to break structure and go up. And there we have our what? Our all-time high. So now, that is, we have seen our view on 4 hours. Then I also like, if this guy want to continue, I also like to buy from this zone. So in now of these two, we will not buy from here is a very good trade opportunity, and sell around here is also a good opportunity. So, but now can we drop? Prices are currently we have to respect this supply zone. As price go back to the supply zone, so let's drop to 1 hour now. In case that supply zone will hold, let me shift it. So now let us be dealing with it gradually. If that zone will hold, then there's tendencies that price may crash back here or some of this low today, right? Do we have any economic calendar for today? Let me quickly see what's on today. As a day trader, you must, this is your factory. Forex factory will be your friend, please. You must know, so that you know when to engage. So we don't have USD today. We have CAD coming in. So now, we have two projections now. Here we have, so let's go to 30 minutes. So we have that high. We have shifting market structure here on 30 minutes, which likewise, so we have shifting market structure. That gave us shifting market structure, right? So where is so we have this tiny. So price is currently sitting on it, or can we use everything here? Okay, let's do that. So anything here now, 15 minutes. what I'm trying to do is that it's just to find way if you can get entry. If here we hold, then you can see how you can see get a sell from this zone to this. So currently we are above Asia high. So it's like price is creating high of the day for us, right? So price is creating high of the day for us, right? So price is creating high of the day. So now anything here is sell me or call. So as we continue, we'll come back before the end of the class. Or if you want to take a risk, that is, you want to take a risk. No, I only say it. Me, I can only analyze. You is for you to take your own risk in your own hand. That's about 10 pips, $10. Maybe you are come to reach $10, can do a sell limit there and target some of this low. If you can target this low, 4.6. So what this mean? The price tapping here, if you hold, then we can have this sell. That is one. That's what to do a sell limit. But you don't want to do it, let's wait. Can price take out this high also? If I can take out this high, enter this place, then give us a bearish, you see a bearish momentum, then you can either sell around there. So that would be a very good trade. So I prefer a one more push to the top, and if that push don't work, then let's see the momentum sell, then we can jump enter, right? So we see momentum sell. I think that would be good. We are 15 minutes, right? I'm coming. Let me do something. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. So we have we have candlestick close below that low. So let's leave it. We are just looking for a sell opportunity around this zone. But I don't want us to jump enter now, because we may enter now and the thing will just go boom. So let's see a very convincing way. So that is one trade that we are looking. So on your own, as I'm analyze, also look what gold is doing. Or better still, gold move more on New York session, anything from one. So if this guy is selling, if he's selling now, it means that New York will have a sell for the day. I tell you, if now price is forming a kind of high of the day, so if he's selling now, break down and selling, then if he's selling for London, then New York will also sell. So we can have that opportunity. So that is it. The other trade I'm looking at is USD. I'm not analyzing, I'm just pointing out an opportunity that we can capitalize on after the session, right? So that's what I'm doing. So price now tap into this other block. You know, I'll be hunting for USD chef, right? On the VIP, this gives us about over 60 pips. So we have price breakout from here, right? So right breakout from that session. So we have a breakout structure that is 4 hours. That is 4 hours. So I can tell you that we have a very shifty market structure from this zone. So 4 hours shift, the price rally up, now came back. I'm still expecting, I don't know, if price will come back to this supply zone. That is maybe here, before another push up, or the push up, which I don't know. But here again, price gave us what? Another shift here. So price came back to the other block, and now we have this. So we bought from here, and I think from that place, from here to here now, that was about 60 pips that we gained. Now a pullback is happening. So dropping to 1 hour. So we have this yesterday. We give us another structure shift. So we have what? All this. So today now, I'm waiting. All I'm waiting for now is like price is forming a low of the day, right? So I'm waiting for price to take out that high. Then when you take it out, then that will be the trade I'm waiting for. So Asia liquidity is clear now. So this boss is Asia. Asia is ranging. You can see everything is a ranging market. So everything is a ranging market, which is the Asia session. Now price has swept the range, which has become like a fake out. Then we need price to change in the opposite direction. As long as price clear this high, so we'll look for a long opportunity. So that is trade number 2. Trade number 3 is USDJPY. So looking at the same directions, but this one I think maybe it's not ready. Yeah, USDJPY is not ready, but this goes going to be a good trade. So we have a price giving us this shift, right? 4 hours. We have a break of structure to the above, right? We have a break of structure here. Price came back. The origin mitigated. So that has been mitigated by this pull up, right? So now this is the other block. The other block failed like 1 pips for price fail. So we can still consider it a viable. So I was waiting for this. Now price, I love a very bullish candle that have closed above this plate. So now this is on my radar, watching what USDJPY will do. Price. So we have this 1, 2, 3 bullish candle, and this doji that form, these 2 bullish candle, and slightly close above this descending trend line. In a descending trend line like this, based on experience, it's a sign of a bullish is coming. So on 4 hours, that's why I put this small bar here. It will be very good if you can see 4-hour close. If you see a 4 hours close, then I tell you, if you can see a convinced 4-hour candle close above that high, so there will be the target. So this is a very good trade that I'm looking out on USDJPY to form. May not be today. This may be maybe next week. Maybe next week trade. Sorry, 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. USDJPY. USDJPY is 20,000. So 1 hour. So now it's going on. So price have returned back to this boss. then 15 minutes. So I'm also waiting for as price has cleared Asia low. So I'm waiting for this high to be taken out. If I see a good price action that take out this high, so I will look for a long opportunity on USD/JPY. So that is trade number 3 that I'm looking out for. Then we have talked about gold. We are looking at development in gold, okay? So momentum is already building on gold. If you see 15-minute candle close here, then we can get a short on gold. We just need 15-minute candle to close with body. Please watch out by 9:30. Let's see how this candle close. Right? Then we can take everything in life is about risk. So we can take a risk. Since price now is already in a premium, we can take a risk, which is risking 100 pips. It's very good. So which is $10. So we can take a risk and trade back to. So let's just wait. Let's wait. So everybody, you can set your this thing at the close of that candle with this. Then we can. So let me just pause here. Okay, we still have like 5 minutes. Please wait in this candle close. Wait in this candle close. We still have like 4 minutes. I've said my own no. Wait in what? That candle close. So 4 minutes more. So let's quickly look at euro under the 4 minutes as so euro also, but my major concern is that all this market. So now euro, this is our daily fractal, and this is our fractal low, a daily fractal low, fractal high. We have a broker. So euro now, true, I will start bullish on euro when I see a daily candle close above the daily fractal, maybe here. So can bullish low here. So as long as that daily fractal still hold, so we are still bearish. Actually for bearish so now you can see how price get to this supply zone, price reject, it gives us a shift. For our shift, for our fractal shift, we have high, we have this low, we have this, we have this. This is what we have. We have this, we have this, we have this. Now we have this. So now it's giving us this, right? So we can see that it has given us a shift. If I turn it to line chart. So now we'll just wait for a proper. So price now is returning to where? A supply zone. This supply zone here. Price is currently waiting, return back to this candle supply zone. So we have 2 minutes to go. I'm watching it, don't worry. So let's adjust the zone to this guy here. So price is currently on this zone now, 15 minutes. So likewise, Euro USD, we are having what? We are still what? Under a sell zone, but we just need. Now, if we want to deal with Euro USD now, it means that there's a need for price to take out this low. That is first scenario. Maybe price take out their comeback like this. I know people don't shout me. GJ, okay. That is one. or second one, maybe we have a what? This another push up, then we can go. So that is it. Let's go back to that goat. Let's go back to that goat. Okay. So gold now, at the closing of this candle in the next 1 minute, you can try, let's say gold and use and risk 10 pips on gold. Let's see how it will work out. Let's see how it will work out. But that candle must close. Okay, so you can short now. You can short. You can short gold. Your stop loss at that high. So your stop loss. So please, we are just making small. Let's see how let's see how it will play out. Please, so just give me 1 minute. Just try to do some, send it to, for the sake of the VI people that are not here.
Plug your phone off data, keep it aside. Finish everything wey you dey do. That one I know say when you dey press phone, yes, you have done what you're supposed to do in the morning.
Mute yourself, oh. Three, 2, 8, 6, 7. Okay. Minutes into just pray that the thing play out. I don't see reason why go should go and take that eye again. 23rd May. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so what's going on the trade? Let's see. Okay, it's pushing up. Let's see coupling holding. There's no reason why it should come and take out this high again. And if it does, we'll look for another entry above here. That's how we roll. Save us. Okay. 1 minute upcoming. Let's continue. So let's touch one or two. Somebody posted GJ. Okay, GJ, 4 hours. This GJ is so this killer butter. I would love GJ to come to this. Okay, it's like it's using this fair value gap now. It's using that FUG to do what? It's using that FUG to do something to bounce. So if the FUG works, so it's using the FUG. So down to 4 hours. Okay. Price tap into the FUG. Yeah, price give us a structural break here, right? So we have range, this low and this high. Okay, so this is good. So we just need what? Oh, we have this. These are fractal high. It means that there's a need for price to close above this place. Then before we go long on GJ. Yes, it's drawn liquidity. Forget that move. So that is my prediction on GJ. That may take on GJ. So let's look at 4 hours if we can get. Okay, if we look at 2 hours, then let's use this high, which will give us an early entry. So GJ is doing like a buy that we want to see. So we just need price that broke out from the trend line, which is good. So let that high, let price close above that high. So it will be good. All right. Any other pair you want me to look at? Today's Friday. You don't need to stay in the market like that. You don't need to pick to get 1 or 2 trades and go out. NAS 100. NASDAQ.
Before you go, check the gold again.
What happened to it?
It's having a drawdown somehow.
So Nasdaq is something. Let's put this buy here on Nasdaq. Let's put this buy here. So Nasdaq is ranging. The price, if you have a daily close above here, then we can trade to cover some of this gap. Some of this gap here. Trade to it. BTC. BTC, which will be the last, not the least. BTC, yeah. So BTC. Weekly on BTC. This DSY. DSY, this guy, it invests me like shit. DSY is misbehaving. It's misbehaving seriously. It's misbehaving. Dollar is misbehaving seriously. It's not giving person joy. So BTC is the guy is doing what he needs to do. Oh my God. BTC have break all-time high. BTC have cleared all-time high. So we have that all-time high clear. So we need to see whether monthly candle close above that high. Otherwise, if that high, if it fail, then it may roll down. Or this today, this weekly, let's see how this candle will close today. But I can tell you, this guy is seriously bullish. So we have this fairly gap. Maybe when price tap to it, you can continue to bullish back. So that is it. That's my take on BTC. This guy is very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. All right, guys. The weakness of dollar is giving a lot of concern to trade. This is the gold. So let that gold, just leave the gold. I've given you what you should looking at. If this guy fail here, then come to this supply zone. You can look for a sell. You can look for a sell, but favorably. I don't know if this other block here will hold this gold. Otherwise, up here will be the ideal place. And here will be the ideal buy because price has formed a lot of liquidity here. So this will be ideal buy. This will be a very ideal sell. But this supply zone here, let's hope that you can see hope price, push price down, maybe to this low that we are looking to buy from. So the reason why we are selling from this zone is because of we have a very clear shift in market structure, price rally now. But the issue is that though we are in a good premium, but price did not get to the supply zone very well. And you just want to, that's why I said, let's just take a small risk. So where it is now, our stop loss is tight, 100 pips for gold. It's very tight. It's very tight. So guys, thank you for your time for this week. I believe some of us will make money, some of us will lose money. Don't worry. If you don't make money this week, you'll make money next week. That is it. So it means that this week is not for me, it's not for us. Those of us that don't make money, it's not for us. Next week will be our week. And those of us that make money, glory be to God. So thank you for your time. Next week is going to be a very special week. A lot of updates and new things will be coming up. So this gold, eyes on it. If you give us what we want, we'll post it on the community. We'll pop champagne and celebrate on the community. So I can see that it's still pushing down gradually. It's pushing down. With this kind of momentum, we should have to go roll down. Roll down. So that is it. All right, bye for now.